Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Speak Aura English Flow, where your English starts to flow. I'm Lily,
And I'm Jolly.
and no matter where you're watching from, if you're here to build your English, you're in the right place. At Speak Aura, we help you understand English better, speak more naturally, and gain real confidence, one conversation at a time.
Lily, can I tell you about something that happened to me yesterday?
Please, go ahead.
I was at a coffee shop and the person next to me started talking to me, just small talk, and I froze. I know so many English words, but in that moment, I couldn't have a normal conversation.
That's such a common experience. Knowing words and having a real conversation are actually two different skills.
Exactly. I could have written everything down perfectly, but speaking it in the moment with a real person, completely different.
That happens to almost every learner. Conversations move fast, and there's no time to plan every sentence.
So how do people get better at that, at just talking normally?
By practicing real, everyday conversations, not just vocabulary lists. And that's exactly what we're doing today.
Okay, I'm ready to start talking.
Perfect. Before we continue, can we ask everyone to subscribe?
Yes, please. If you want to practice real English conversations with us, subscribe to Speak Aura English Flow.
Great. Let's start our day, Jolly. Imagine it's morning and we just woke up. I'll start a real conversation and you respond naturally.
Okay, I'm ready.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, pretty well, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. I woke up a little early today. What time did you wake up?
I woke up around 7. I have to get ready quickly today.
Same here. Do you want some coffee before you go?
Sure, that would be great.
Thanks. Let's keep the morning conversation going. Picture us in the kitchen now, getting ready to leave.
Okay, I'm there.
So, what are your plans for today?
Just work, actually. Nothing special. What about you?
Same, just a normal work day. What time do you usually leave the house?
Around 8. I don't want to be late.
Smart. Do you take the bus or do you drive?
I take the bus. It's more relaxing than driving.
That makes sense. All right, have a good day at work.
Thanks, you too. See you later.
Nice and natural, Jolly. Notice something. We didn't use any difficult words, just simple, real conversation.
Yeah, it actually felt like a real morning chat.
Exactly. Now let's move to work. Imagine you just arrived and a coworker greets you.
Okay, ready.
Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. A little tired, but okay.
I hear ya. Did you get my message about the meeting?
Yes, I got it. It's at 10, right?
Right. See you there.
Sounds good. See you then.
Perfect. Notice that word again, get. I got your message. It's everywhere in daily English.
Right, we practiced that before. It really is youthful.
Now let's move to lunchtime. Imagine you're sitting with a friend, and I'll start.
Okay, go ahead.
What are you having for lunch?
I brought a sandwich. What about you?
I'm getting something from the cafeteria today. Do you want to sit outside?
Sure, sounds nice. It's a good day for that.
Agreed. So, how's your day going so far?
Pretty busy, honestly, but it's almost a weekend.
True. Any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Maybe just relax at home.
That sounds nice too.
That felt really smooth, like an actual lunch conversation.
Exactly. And that's the whole goal. Real, natural exchanges. Let's continue into the afternoon. Picture your workday finishing.
Okay, I'm picturing it.
All right, I'm heading out. Have a good evening.
You too. Drive safe or take care on the bus.
Thanks. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Simple and natural, right? Now, here's a quick story. I once had a student who practiced exactly this kind of conversation every day on her commute, just imagining she was talking to a coworker. After a few weeks, real conversations felt so much easier for her.
That's actually really motivating. It shows this really works.
It does. Let's move into the evening now. Imagine you're home and someone asks about your day.
Okay, ready.
Hey, how was your day?
It was good. Pretty normal. A little busy at work, but nothing too crazy.
That's good. Did you eat yet?
Not yet. I was thinking of ordering something. Do you want to order together?
Sure, that sounds great. What are you in the mood for?
Maybe pizza or something quick.
Pizza sounds perfect.
That was such a normal, easy conversation. No big words, but it felt completely real.
Exactly, Jolly. That's the secret. Normal conversations don't need advanced English. They need natural, confident responses.
That actually makes me feel a lot more relaxed about speaking.
Good. Now let's add quick questions. Answer fast, don't overthink.
Okay, go.
What do you usually do after dinner?
I relax and watch something.
Do you talk to family or friends in the evening?
Sometimes, yeah, I call my family sometimes.
What do you usually say before going to bed?
Good night. Sleep well.
Perfect. Quick and natural every time.
Honestly, I didn't hesitate on any of those.
That's real progress, Jolly. You're not translating anymore, you're just responding. Let's move into practice mode now. This is where you actively use the conversations we've built. I'll give you a situation and you respond quickly, like it's really happening.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let's start with fill in the blank. Your message this morning. Thanks for sending it.
I got your message this morning. Thanks for sending it.
Perfect. Next one. Do you want to lunch together today?
Do you want to have lunch together today?
Excellent. Now let's try choosing the correct expression. Which sounds more natural? How is going or how's it going?
How is going?
Almost. We normally say, how's it going?
Right. How's it going?
Perfect. Let's continue with quick question and answer. Fast answers, don't overthink.
Go ahead.
What do you usually say when you greet a coworker?
Hey, how's it going?
What do you say when someone asks about your weekend?
It was good. Pretty relaxing.
What do you say before ending a phone call?
Talk to you later. Bye.
Great answers. Very natural. Now let's try a mini role play. Imagine we're neighbors and we just ran into each other outside.
Okay, I'm picturing it.
Hey, I haven't seen you in a while. How have you been?
Pretty good. Just busy with work. How about you?
Same here, keeping busy. Are you free this weekend?
I think so. Why?
Just wondering if you wanted to grab coffee sometime.
Sure, that sounds nice. Let's plan something.
See how natural that felt? A real spontaneous conversation.
Yeah, I didn't plan any of that. It just came out.
That's exactly the goal. Let's try sentence transformation next. I'll give you a sentence and you make it your own using something true for you.
Okay.
I usually eat dinner at 7. Change it to your real time.
I usually eat dinner at 8.
Perfect. I call my family on weekends. Make it true for you.
I call my family on Sundays.
Excellent. Very natural. Now, here's a common mistake many learners make. Some learners say, I have 30 years, but that's not correct in English.
Oh, I think I've heard that before too.
The correct way is, I am 30 years old.
I am 30 years old. Got it. Much clearer.
Exactly. Let's do one more listen and repeat using expressions from real conversations. I'll say something, you repeat it, then make your own version.
Okay, ready.
I got a little tired by the afternoon.
I got a little tired by the afternoon.
Now your own version.
I got really tired by the evening.
Perfect. Do you want to sit outside for lunch?
Do you want to sit outside for lunch? Do you want to order pizza for lunch?
Excellent, Jolly. You're really connecting the situations to natural responses now.
Yeah, it feels a lot more like real talking, not memorizing.
That's exactly what daily conversation practice builds. Let's do one final quick round.
Let's go.
What's something you say when you bump into a friend?
Hey, long time no see.
What's something you say when someone offers you food?
Sure, thank you.
What's something you say when you're leaving work?
Have a good evening. See you tomorrow.
Perfect answers, all quick and natural.
Honestly, none of those needed any thinking time.
And that's real conversation skill, Jolly, built through practice just like this. Let's bring today's lesson together with a quick review.
Good idea. This really helped me today.
We practiced real conversations for a full day. Morning greetings, work chat, lunch talk, and evening conversations at home. All natural, all everyday English.
And we practiced get again. I got your message. I got tired.
Right. Small word, huge usefulness. And we fixed a mistake, too. I am 30 years old, not I have 30 years.
Got it. I won't forget that one.
Let's do one final mini practice before we finish.
Ready?
What do you say when you greet someone in the morning?
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
What do you say when a coworker asks about your day?
Pretty good. A little busy, though.
And what do you say before saying goodbye?
Have a good evening. See you tomorrow.
Perfect, Jolly. Fast, natural, real.
Honestly, this felt like actual conversations, not a lesson.
That's exactly the point. Real conversation skill grows through practice like this, a little every day.
Lily, if someone wants to keep practicing conversations like these, what would you suggest?
If you enjoyed today's lesson, there's another Speakora lesson you might really like. Morning to Night, Real Conversation. It walks through even more daily conversations so you can keep building this skill.
Oh, that's a great next step.
Exactly. Watch that one next and keep practicing these same natural responses.
I'll definitely check that one out.
Before we go, if today's lesson helped you, please subscribe to Speakora English Flow. Give this video a like and keep practicing with us.
And don't forget to comment.
Here's our question for today. What's one thing you might say tomorrow morning using something we practiced today?
Write it in the comments. We'd love to see it.
Remember, your English doesn't need to be perfect. Every real conversation you practice, even a short one, builds true confidence.
Small conversations really do add up.
Exactly. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and remember, your English doesn't have to be perfect to start flowing.
See you in the next Speakora English Flow lesson.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye, everyone.
everyone.